got one on. I got a fish on there. Snap my line. My friend Terrell hit me up and we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna try to go get these trout today. So I'm gonna document this and hopefully we have a good day representing. It's beautiful out. It's kind of cold. And we just gonna see what we're gonna do today. Got the brothers. We caught a couple, man. Old head gave us one. I finally caught one. So at least I was a skunk. I heard my boy dog and his nephew going in today, man, so hoping I could have caught it a little earlier, but just a watch, we find it, we doing our thing, man. My lady like to strangle me. She know how far out I came. I went and caught some shiners down at Gut Road, and I came out here to Watershed. It was an hour drive. It seemed a lot longer when I was by myself, most definitely, and when I was with Dust. And I had to walk back here, man, from way over there where them cars are at, if you can see way out in the distance. But I got some shiners, man. I think I'm really gonna bang them, man, so I'm gonna keep you filled in on what I'll do here, alright? Most definitely. I caught one. It's getting dark, but yeah, I caught a nice one.
I'll go down a little forward and walk that way a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Right here. If I know the Indians, they know this right there. I don't know what that white girl, they know that white girl. Yes, they do.
Yeah, you already caught 3 though.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Just that quick. You ain't been down here in 5 minutes yet and I caught 3.
That joint tasting like lemonade right now.
There you go, look.
Hey, there he goes. You the man. I got you on camera, yeah, man. I showed my boy about that white girl, that crayfish that looked like a cricket, but it don't even move like a crayfish. But my man, he swears by it. I showed him that John and everything's biting, man. We got sunfish, he kind of big. He's a nice little panfish. You gonna throw him back? Going in the bucket. We're gonna have a little fish fry. He said be too successful yet with the walleye, but I'm catching these chubs. Quite comfortable on big. Look at this big old monster. Look at this huge, man. Can't really tell, but look, this dude is like a miniature lobster out here. I'm gonna let him go. He's on top of my cage. Trying to get something. I'm gonna release him, man. What's going on, man? I caught this turtle down at Philadelphia Street Bridge, and I was gonna sell it to the African people, but they decided that they didn't want to keep it. So, you know what I mean? They couldn't find nobody to kill the turtle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take him back and put him back to Quantas Lake. About to release this dude finally. Got him right here in the same spot where I caught him at. Go. J Nat, fishing with YC's finest. Came down here to Philadelphia Street, the day after Turkey Day. And basically, I just want to come out here to the water and do my thing, because I got quite a few days off, and I was like, man, forget about this. Like, it's cold out here. I got the hand warmers, the hot hands, but I said, I might as well use a lot of wood down here, and I'm around a good area with concrete, man, so there's nowhere this fire's gonna go. So I just built me a quick little fire here. I just want to keep my hands warm, and I'm just keep on feeding the fire. But I got these minnows left over from the other day. They froze. It's actually like 29 degrees. So I've been catching like white perch down here, but this largemouth bass, literally first cast. Spinner bait, Lake Redmond, on and popping early in the morning. Set my cage down there and hand a pen, catch some minnows. I think it's gonna be a good fishing day. Labor Day weekend. Saturday early in the morning, man. It's like 6 o'clock, 6:30 or something like that. First cast. Okay, family, this is J Nat. I'm out here on the water. My first time taking my kayak out, man. It's kind of exciting, but I'm gonna let you guys know, man. Give a heads up straight from the door, man. This thing ain't for the faint of heart. Most definitely don't come out in this water if you don't know what you're doing, and if you don't know how to swim. You know what I mean? Because I really kind of testing it, and this kayak, it kind of it'll tilt real easy, man, so you gotta watch your movements in this thing, but this is kind of like a workout at the same time. It's a learning experience, so I'm just trying to do my drop worm technique right now and just trying to feel this thing, and I got a little anchor, like a little 3-pound anchor, and I ain't gonna lie, man, this thing ain't nothing to be playing with, especially if you don't know how to swim. So I got a seat cushion, I got my little vest cushion, my vest life preserver. Got my little hat with my this fish on here. My daughter gave me this hat a long time ago. But I'm over here at the bank, man. I'm trying to see if I can pull something out of here, man. So I'm not really tripping if I don't get no fish today. It's kind of a real hazy day, and Saturday. Just trying to make the most of it. I'm happy to be out here. I'm thanking the Most High, just chilling, relaxing, man. Trying to make the most of this Shabbat, just relaxing. But most definitely, family is. I'm excited about it. I keep you guys filled in, man. J Nat, Jason of all trades. Most definitely coming back at you again, YC. Peace, love. Like my man, Young Pharaoh State family. And I'm out here at the water, at my spot down here off of Philadelphia Street in YC. Man, the water's looking beautiful, right? There goes the first victim. Little sunfish. He's doing the bobble right now. He's doing the bobble. Now this guy looks just like the last one. You might think that I got the same fish on, but it's not the same dude. I'm gonna start showing you when I throw him in, man. So hold on a second. I'm gonna start throwing them in so you see they ain't the same fish. Down here with my man Quan and his son. His son just caught a bass. Yep, grab his lip. Don't be scared, he ain't gonna bite you. Yeah, grab it. Grab it hard. Don't be scared.
All the way in his mouth, so you don't drop it.
Grab it tight, like you pinching it. Yep, just like that. No, look. Let me show you, look. Let me show you, bro, look. Don't be scared, look.
Look, put your thumb in his mouth.
Put your thumb in his mouth, just like that. And then when you go like that, it paralyzes him. So you can't move.
You can't really do nothing.
You ain't doing nothing. They got sandpaper teeth, so it ain't gonna hurt you.
You don't do that with all fish, but you can do it with this.
With the bass, you can do it. See?
You had him look for thumb too. I like that.
Hey, look. Look. You see how you hold? See when you grab his lip, and then the weight of his body just makes him not move. Yeah, grab him right here. See how I'm doing it? Grab him. Don't be scared, man. He's not gonna hurt you.
Just like you got it.
Just like that. Now. He's like, he just wants to get rid of him. He's like, get him out. Got him, Rocky Balboa.
I know, I caught him.
Go home. Came out the Lake Redmond. It's really low out here right now. You see I'm walking on these rocks. It's really low and I missed one, caught two. Little dude so far. This guy's probably like 13 inches. I say, putting these bad boys back though, you know. I'm hoping to get bigger. I'm hoping I'll hook into the water's cold, so I'm hoping I'll hook into something nice. Yeah, baby, it's starting to get a little bigger. It's like my third one. Yeah, I don't know how long I had that film on. I never pressed record. But this one looks like he's almost a keeper. I'm letting him go though. There we go. Doing pretty good right here. This is like my fifth one. I don't know if I recorded the last one or just took a picture, but fishing with YC's finest. Killing them off my little lure right here. Right now, you know, that's a little right there, that's a little secret weapon right there. Oh yeah, well, here we go. Caught another one at the same spot. Bassmaster USA, YC USA, you know. On a late night, you know, I'm doing really good with the lure, man. Six spot behind. I know exactly what that is, but I'm between Beaver Street Bridge and over there at Cable Company or whatever, and Parkway that way. Jumping on this dude. He must have been caught before he got that line in his mouth, as you can see. So this dude, he's been out of water a couple times. He's probably feeling some type of way. He's still eating. His mouth is looking pretty good. Alright, me and Lodge caught this smallmouth. I really caught it. He kept on trying to bite it, but I tried to let Lodge bring in the last fish and he got away, so I had to bring this one in and get a close up of him.
The first time you tried to get it, it just slipped off.
Yeah, but it's a nice day today.
It's 2 pounds.
We came out here and we gonna throw it back in.
1 feet.
No, yep, both foot like 12 inches, probably more than that. He's more than that. He's 15.
Oh.
Okay, you can throw him in. Ready?